Hi guys, welcome back to second vlog of 2026. I've not even posted the first one or edited it, but inshallah today or tomorrow. Today is a very exciting day. We are going to work, of course, but after that I have an event that I have to attend in JBR, which is going to be really fun. It's been really busy, and I'm just finishing up, so I'll do a little touch up and then head to JBR, which is so far. That rhymed. Oh my god, this is just starters. I don't know how I'm gonna eat all of this. Garlic fried rice. Let's shut up. It was here. We saw what you said. I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna expose you.
I might go to France this year.
Yeah, where are you going?
Paris for this exhibition. It's called Eurosatory, the defense exhibition.
Do you think that we look like people who care about defense? Why are you going for defense?
I was in defense.
You work in defense? What are you defending?
What? You know
What?
this?
No. What are you defending?
What?
Human rights? What are you
No.
doing?
So we manufacture military vehicles of the tanks and stuff. That's what I do.
What?
That's what I do for a living. This is not my living.
No, that I know, but like, I didn't know you.
What did you think I was doing?
I don't know.
What the hell? She's been my friend and she doesn't know what I was doing.
I don't know what you.
Hell, bro. Hell.
What does that even mean?
Loser.
Oh. Okay, let's start.
My mom is watching you. I ordered three dishes. I'm hiding your No, I'm joking.
Completely forgot to vlog today. I came back home super late last night, around 2 p.m. and I came to work super early today, around 9 a.m. So I am a little groggy and sleepy and all those things. I don't know which car do I have to get into. But yeah, we're just going for a tasting, and that's what it is. You know what I'm craving for right now? A car. Like, I want to drive so bad so I can just come down with my car keys and shoot, and also like go to places. Like today morning I was taking the cab. Like right now I just got these car keys. These are Shaw's car keys, and I was like, okay, I'll go sit down, and it felt so empowering to hold car keys and leave. I was like, not like I'm driving, she's gonna be driving me, but it's I'm really craving for a driving license. And I've decided this year, this is the year, 2026 is the year when I get my Dubai driving license. So here, this is me putting it out in the universe.
Shame.
Yeah, yes, shim highly recommend being
Only
solo.
our followers.
Yeah, and at least followers get you money. And then you become rich, and then
followers
guess
get you
what? And then you become rich, and then you become rich, and then people want to pay to come in your vlog.
Hey,
Right now I'm doing for free.
Tell them
They should know.
everyone should donate $10 each. You'll make a million.
I know how I want to become a millionaire. If I take $1 each from every person who's alive, then
80,000.
Everyone who's alive.
Alive.
What 80,000?
I just made my oats atta because I have been making oats chillas, and that's the only way I like to have oats. I am not a fan of overnight oats because they just taste weird and I cannot stand it. So I have started making oats chilla, which I really enjoy. And for that I have to like roast the oats, then grind it and make it into a fine paste and all of that shit. So I thought, why not just do it all at once, so it's just easy for me. So I'm just gonna clean this up. I also just did my laundry. So I'm going to put those clothes for drying and then take shower and then shoot a brand video because it was supposed to go like last week. I'm so late. This is what my room looks like, and it's currently 12 a.m. I should be asleep, but here I am because I couldn't pick up an outfit, and I was like, what do I wear? What do I wear? So I was like, you know what, let's just wear this because it's backless. Not like you can see my back in the video. I was like, okay, let's wear this and shoot it and just sleep. I need to sleep. Last night I slept so late. I was so sleepy when I woke up in the morning. But it's fine, it's okay. Now tomorrow we're planning an early morning cycling thingy. Unless I don't sleep tonight by 9, there's no point of doing it. So I'm just hoping I get back home quickly and I just eat and work out and sleep. I don't want to do anything else. I'm just super, super sleepy. I feel like the only time I vlog is when I'm in the cabs or at home, because in public I forget that I have to vlog. I don't even know what to vlog. Like yesterday I went for a tasting at work and I completely forgot to take my camera. So deal with it. It's fine. It's okay. That's my work view for today. Looks so pretty. So, so pretty. Also, I'm listening to this song. I know you can't see it, but it's Voicemail by Khalid, and it's such a perfect song for this weather. I'm just gonna work on making the task list for my day so that I know what I have to do instead of going with it, because I have ADHD and I end up getting caught in so many things and I don't finish any of them. So let's do that. I'm obsessed with Dubai skies right now because trust me, you do not see clouds in this city ever. That is hella bad. Of course, because I was in a mall, I'm at a Zara. That's not even a surprise anymore to you guys. But what I wanted to say is I'm so glad I did not order these pants online, because online they looked so good. Like the model is tall and looked amazing. On me, it looks like Aladdin's balloon pants. I don't know, like they look really good on some people, tall people. I am only 5'2". Also, this linen top, which I thought would look really good because the material is genuinely amazing. But okay, this is the next dress. It's giving an elevated bathrobe because, like, first of all, I don't understand this. So I think there's supposed to be a hook here because, like, there's nothing, like, I've just snatched it here. Otherwise, it's supposed to be here. And then I don't understand. I really, what? So I don't get how this dress is supposed to be. Again, I love the material. I thought it would be really nice, but I don't know. You see, this is what Zara looks like when there's a sale and my brain just stops working. According to my calendar, I should be on my cook and eat schedule, but I'm still at the mall. So now I have to go back. Then what do I have to do? Yeah, I have to go back and then I have to go to the gym and then I have to cook and then I have to eat. So, oh my god, I've got myself an empty gym. How lucky am I? Today we're planning to train legs because since Jan 1st I've not been training legs because I keep thinking, oh, my hike is coming, oh, my run is coming. So today we're gonna be training legs. Let's go. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. It's not even been 2 minutes. I'm gonna get fresh veggies tomorrow to the farmer's market. So now I'm just getting vanilla and Greek yogurt. Let's go. Got done with the shower. Now I'm in my bed, excited and so ready to sleep. There's people walking around, the weather's beautiful, the sky has clouds, people are buying groceries like they used to back in the day. There's fresh pakoras. It's just really fun and different. I love it. This is the cafe I work at and it's so busy today. It was hectic, very hectic today. Even I was running the front of office today at that desk and it was busy and it's not an easy job. But yeah, fun. Bye, Chelsea. See you. Have fun. See you on Monday. Look at the sky. Oh my god. Dying. Also, for the lunch, I couldn't vlog it, but I had my boyfriend and his friends come over to El Circle, and then we went to Sapko for lunch. So it was a really, really good day. Now I'm gonna go home, gym, eat, and get dressed for our date night. So लेकिन जैसा भी ऐसा मेरे को पढ़ाया लिखा है आप लोगों ने, आज़ादी दी, पैसा दिया, अगर आपको सब मेरे जैसा अभी इस टाइम पे मिलता था तो फिर आप क्या करती थी?
और बड़ी अच्छी होती तो मुझे भी लगता है कि मैं बहुत कुछ आगे ही होती, बहुत आगे।
तो मेरे जैसी ही होती थी ना, मतलब कि घूमो फिरो।
जैसी ही होती थी, हाँ, घूमो फिरो, मस्त स्टाइल पहनना करना, मतलब मैं तो मार खा गई पढ़ाई लिखाई में।
तो ठीक है ना, आपने नहीं किया, मतलब आपने अपनी बेटी को दे दिया, तो अभी ऐसी
हाँ।
मेरे को जो नहीं मिला होगा मैं अपने बच्चों को दूंगी। ऐसे मेरे को बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं बनाने दिया आपने, तो अपनी बेटी को बनाने दूंगी।
हाँ, बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना भी मैं गलत नहीं समझती हूँ, क्योंकि है ना, ये तो मैं एक उम्र होती है जो
पहले जब पता चला था, इतना जो ड्रामा किया था आप लोगों ने।
हाँ, ड्रामा ये इसलिए था कि मुझे बॉयफ्रेंड से नहीं था, मुझे ये लग रहा था कि गलत उसमें ना चली जाए, पता नहीं चलता है कि भाई अच्छा है कि नहीं। आजकल है ना, जो बहरा करता अभी देखो तुमको सब मालूम है, उस टाइम में अगर कुछ गलत हो जाता तो लाइफ खराब हो जाती, आज वो सब चीजें रहती है। माहौल भी तो खराब था ना, लोगों को मतलब प्यार का मतलब एक गलत चीज भी होती है, किसी को प्यार बोलते हैं, प्यार का मतलब वो सब थोड़ी ना होता है सेक्स वगैरह, क्या वो प्यार एक अलग ही चीज होती है कि किसी के साथ बैठना, किसी के साथ बातें करना, अच्छा लगना, घूमना फिरना, वो अलग होता है, फ्रेंड सर्कल जैसा होता है।
I'm shooting my get ready with me. This is the setup for everyone who watches it on IG. It is currently 11 a.m. I got back home yesterday at 3 and I had one too many. So I literally puked my guts out. That's the thing. I don't drink very often, but when I do, I don't know my limits. So I just keep drinking. I'm like, oh, I'm not getting drunk. Oh, I'm not getting drunk. Where did my jewelry go? And then I would just keep drinking, and before I know it, I'm drunk. And then I came home and I was like, oh, let me have wine. I have wine at home. I had 2 sips and I was like, okay, I need to puke. I cannot. It was really fun because it's been a really long time since I went out drinking and dancing and having fun and going clubbing, which I used to do quite a lot back in the day, which means last year. And this year I've not done it, so it was actually fun. I was looking forward to it also because I was done with all my responsibilities. I'd finished all my tasks yesterday. I've been a good girl this entire week. I've been going to the gym. I've been showing up. So I was like, you know what? I deserve this. So I ended up doing that. Okay, while I'm cleaning up, I just was reminded of this theory that I think it was a post I saw on IG. All our learnings are from IG, I feel, at this point. But I have this habit of throwing everything, like, oh, it's, thoda toot gaya, thoda ye ho gaya, let's throw it. Why do you want to keep it? I don't wear it anymore, let's throw it. I don't use it anymore, let's throw it. Why keep it? And I've always been like this. My mom keeps saying, you need to stop throwing things, you need to stop doing all of this. And then on IG the other day, I read that the thing about fixing the existing thing is because you show it love, and it's like, I'm choosing you again. It's like, so basically, I'll tell you, I don't know how to explain my thoughts. That's what I'm bad at, I think. I can't express well. So I have this pan, जिसका ऊपर का ढक्कन was broken, like the top was broken. So I was like, okay, let's throw it. Let's buy a new one. I was saying it for so long. I don't know how to wear it. Never mind. Yeah, so I've been saying it for so long. Let's throw it. Let's buy a new one. So when we were moving, I was like, okay, now we're gonna buy a new one because इसका ढक्कन टूट गया and I can't pick it up. And I was just boiling pasta right now, and then I saw my mom had kept that pan and she'd gotten that dhakkan fixed, and I was like, oh, like my brain doesn't go to even fixing it, and that pan is like so old. My nanny must have given it to my mom or something like that. It's like super old, but I get it, it's about like choosing that thing again and being like, I see your cracks, I see that you're broken, but I love you and I want to give you a second chance and I want you in my life, instead of just throwing it out and just getting a new pan every single time. It's such a beautiful theory. I also read, I mean, I also understand its reference in the movie Huck, which I think everyone should watch. It is such a stunning movie. So in that, Yami Gautam says that when Yami Gautam first gets married into the house, the help was telling her that जब भी कुकर खराब होता है भैया नया लेके आ जाता है. And she's like, ये पुराना वाले क्यों नहीं फिक्स कराते? And then she's like, नहीं जब भी खराब होता है भैया नया वाला लेके आ जाता है. And then she's like, okay अभी मैं आ गई ना मैं फिक्स कर दूंगी. And then when it happened to her, when he got bored of her, he got a new wife. So the relevance and the reference of it was so, I don't know, it just changed something. And he was like, oh my god, is that what I do? Like, I just replace things. Do I replace people also just because they're not serving me a purpose? So I was like, okay, in 2026, I'm gonna work on this. Instead of my brain first going to let's throw it, let me try to revive it and say it. Why can't I fix the existing thing? Why can't I choose it again? Why can't I, find a way to reuse it? Or why can't I find a way to keep it in my life because I love it. I've had memories with it. So yeah, that was a really, really beautiful theory. And then like only when I was 25 is when I realized, oh, this is what I've been doing. So yeah, I just want to share that thought with you. Guys, I just made myself some yummy pasta. I love this pasta that I make. I literally crave for it. So yeah, I just made myself some yummy pasta, and now is the best part. We're gonna watch TV and eat. Hi guys, it's a Monday. It's currently 9:10. Sounds wrong, but 9 a.m. 10 minutes. I was supposed to be there by 9:15. As always, I am late. So just heading to JVC, and then we're gonna head to Abu Dhabi to the farm where we're gonna grill lamb and summer squash and make tacos. It's like a really fun outing because Monday is usually my day off, but us and like the Khadak team have decided to go out and have a little get together at the farm before the season goes off. It's a baby's okay.
One for you, one for me.
That's it.
Oh, look at this, so cute.
I'm the smart one.
Always.
Not good looking, but I get the job done.
Chelsea, you're cute. Stop underestimating yourself.
Cute, I know. Cute, I know.
And beautiful and hot.
Oh, gorgeous.
Hi, so quick update. My camera died mid-shoot, and then we were just chilling, grilling, having the best time of our lives in the best weather possible. And then I ended up at Chelsea's place. We had a few drinks, so I got like real tipsy, and then there was traffic, so it took me like 1.5 hours to come back home. So long story short, it's 8:36, and I had said yes to a run yesterday. Now I can't back out because my friends have decided they're gonna run. I'm like, fine, we're gonna run. So I came home, took a quick shower so that I can get a little sober, so I can sober up a little. And then now I'm going for a run after like drinking 3 glasses of tequila and wine. Okay, so I just got up, got dressed, and shot a video. Okay, I need to stop because then I get copyrighted. But yeah, I got up and quickly shot a video. Now we're heading to work. It's the first day of the week. I'm super excited, and also the last day of the vlog because then from tomorrow I need to start the 3rd week's vlog. It was for the Nykaa's Cushion Foundation. I absolutely love the finish. Also with my zero makeup skills, if I can achieve it, you know the product is good. So look at it in the natural light. So pretty. See? Love it. Absolutely love it. The fact that I can do it, that means anyone can do it because you guys know. It's just, I'm terrible at this.
It's huge.
Of course it's huge. I told you it's huge. What is that? Wow. I don't even know what that is. See, hi. Oh, that way. Yes, you can be a vlogger. She's also a content creator. She can do it.
Hey girl! So today we're at One Life. We're at One Life. We're actually supposed to be working. However, we are starving. And you need to fuel yourself before you fuel. Before you fuel your content, remember to fuel yourself. It is very important. Okay, thank you. Now we are going to go fuel ourselves.
We are prepping for Alkus Art Fest. I've always come here as a customer and I've always enjoyed Alkus Art Fest so much. Yeah, I'll try to sneak out one day and just like not work and be the customer that I am. I'm actually kind of excited to work as well because I've always seen things in terms of hospitality, be it events or anything, as the consumer's point of view. So it's really fun and interesting to see from the people who are at the event, making that event happen's point of view, and it's just the amount of work that goes into it, guys. It's scary. It's like I'm so grateful at this point, like be it a server, be it a restaurant, when I see them busy, I'm like, you know what, I get you all are trying your best. The day I got a job at Al Circle, I was like, oh my god, I'll get to attend Alkus Art Fest. Not like I never have done that, I've always done that, but it's just I've always loved the way these streets light up, the way the events happen. I had come here to attend Stick Nobles. I have come here with Jamila. Last year I came with Jamila and Insia. And last year there was Subco, just being a cafe that it is, like a small pop-up, and this time it's like a full-blown restaurant, which is insane. So it's good to see how things change, how lives change, and how I've always manifested places and jobs that I've always wanted. Even though it wasn't like, sure, okay, this is the job I want. I just really liked some areas. I was like, must be nice to work from here. And next thing you know, I'm in that area. So we're gonna try these really stunning, teeny tiny hot chocolate. So, wow, there's a car which is right now. Who cares? Okay, cheers. Not to do cheers.
Okay, we can't do cheers.
Cheers. I have chocolates or whatever. Okay.
It's cold. On top.
Let's cream. Can you tell which one's matcha? 10 points for guessing which one is having matcha.
Oh my god, I
I.
really don't know which one it is.
Same. Let's guess.
Is it this brown one?
Or is it this green one?
You tell us. You can do whatever you want. I won't judge you and then pull out a camera to show our entire YouTube.
Of 300 people. Guys, look what she's doing. Look. Oh my
Okay, I'm
god.
not famous, so nobody's gonna care.
But what do you mean? You're like literally licking the hot chocolate.
After you
Get a
lick the entire freaking.
Get the spoon, Aishwarya. What the hell is this? Where are the manners? We don't even have tissues or
How
anything,
dare
and
you.
this girl is going to touch these stinky hands to her car cartwheel. And then what do you call the thing? Like the round Okay, this is supposed to be a dress. Shoes! Okay, let's see. The brown shoes, because this is the season. Okay. Jeans, I ordered jeans from Saddle. That's crazy. No, I ordered a jacket. Guys. I'm not even going to any winter destination. I don't know why I've gotten this. Isn't it cute? But then where am I gonna store all of this? I have no place to store.
Oh, so cute.
Is it? Yeah? Cute?
Please.
It is cute, but where am I gonna wear this? I just realized.
The 2 days.
Where will I store it? Where will I store this? I have no space in my wardrobe. So I ordered this because my mom really liked the one Insta had given me, the blue one. And my mom forgot to take the blue one. So now I have 2 of these. So I'll tell you what it is. It's basically...
Like it already. I love the color.
It's like a shawl which transforms and becomes like this. So my mom loved it because she's like, oh my god, itna thand hai, tab main kaam kar sakti hu.
I love the color.
Yeah, so I thought my mom will take the blue one. And then the other day I'm sitting in and checking, like arranging my cupboard, and I realized my mom did not take the blue one. So now I have 2. It's giving blankets.
It's giving candy cane.
Yeah. That's the but I think now it's like a little too much. But the good thing is it's windy today. That means it's going to be cold for the next 2 days, and I can wear all of this
You can wear it at home.
Literally.
It would look good, right?
They give me free gift too. I did not order this. What is this? A gift for you to improve your shopping experience. A tape measure. Oh, it's a measurement tape. Shut up. I love free things. Even though everything was free. But like, I just a free thing on top of a free thing? Yes. This is so cute. Shut up. It is so cold and windy, and I completely forgot to vlog today. But I am done with my day, just wrapping up the work, and I was here for a walk because Aishwarya is picking me up. So I have 10,000 things, but I don't know how Ultra Atlas is going to happen today. Like, people should be in the trenches. Anyways, I'd like to end the vlog here for this week. It was really fun. I really want to do that entire thing of like, share, follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel to be updated. Yeah, correct. But I don't know how to do it, and I think I'm too small to be doing that. But yes, please subscribe, please like, so that I can keep doing this. And yeah, that's that. I'll see you guys in the next vlog or next ranting video or whatever this outro is. It's becoming too long. But yeah, bye. See you.